Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones in the market, drone and drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. Drone is priced at $62, while drone with camera comes in at $129. As you can see, drone with camera is a bit more expensive. However, keep in mind that it offers additional features as we'll explore in the next comparisons. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities. Drone has a basic camera that does not provide any live feed or recording functionality. On the other hand, drone with camera comes equipped with a 1080p camera that can be adjusted manually. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos while the drone is in flight. You can even use it for aerial inspections or shooting cool action shots with your friends. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. Drone offers approximately 12 minutes of flight time with each battery. However, drone with camera takes the lead here, providing a longer flight time of 25 to 30 minutes with its two rechargeable batteries. This means more time to explore and capture amazing aerial shots. Let's discuss the control options available for these drones. Drone can be operated using either a remote control or a smartphone. However, to capture video or images, you need to connect to the drone via Wi-Fi and use the HIT or BOFPV app. On the other hand, drone with camera also offers remote control and app control. The app, called Loyally Fly, allows you to define flight routes, use voice control and gesture selfies, and enjoy various functions like 360 degrees flips and gravity sensing. Now, let's talk about the additional features these drones offer. Drone comes with features like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, speed adjustment, and voice control. It's designed to be beginner-friendly and perfect for kids. Drone with camera, on the other hand, offers similar beginner-friendly features along with upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning technology. This makes it more stable when shooting videos or capturing photos. After comparing drone and drone with camera, it's clear that both drones have their unique strengths. Drone is more budget-friendly, while drone with camera offers advanced camera capabilities and longer flight time. It ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you buy smart.